Back at the scrapyard. I probably need to make a video of how this smoker sounds when it falls off the back of the truck. I'm in a clean spot. Let's do it. And keep cleaning up in your community. It's a good thing. Less blight. Keep this good stuff out of a landfill. So here we go. Beautiful Champion smoker. Just seen better days. Time for the big moment. So here we go. Oh well. Saved from the landfill. Let's continue. Like my family says, it doesn't empty itself, Grandpa. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys. I love keeping this stuff out of a landfill. Thank you so much.